Alright guys, don't want to show you this anyway. To remove this left side of the shoes, and there's an e-brake cable here which is attached to this metal piece. So basically what I did was get a needle pliers, and you gotta move this back to make some space like that, and then just slide it out from the cable, and then that's how you do it. Also, to put it back in the same way, just careful with this here. You don't want to break the spring either, so just get the plier and then move it back and slide this back right in there, and that's how you put the new one in as well. It's the reverse of taking it out, okay? And that's how you get it out. So I just want to let you know that we do need to take it out, because we've got to remove this piece to reuse it. They come with the pads only, not this metal piece, which we need. And it's right off the spring of the cable spring for the e-brake. Alright, that's how you do it. Alright, let's put everything back together, clean a little bit here, and then we put the new parts in. You can see that's where the e-brake cable is right here. That's where it's slipped into, which is just like that. Alright, most time you do the drum brakes, the rear brakes, and you actually need to take let me show you this clip here. Sometimes it does not come when you buy the new parts. You have to reuse this part of it right here, so that you know you do not throw it away, and try not to damage it. Alright, I just want to show you this real quick. So basically, like a washer or like a clip, like hold this metal piece to the shoes, and you just use the like a flathead. Just try to open this up a little bit, and then you just take this out and remove it. Usually it doesn't come with when you buy the shoes. Alright, reuse them. Alright guys, before I install everything, you want to remove is the horseshoe washer. That's what it's shaped like. So basically use a flathead, and there's an open gap right here. Just try to open up a little more so that you can slide it out. So that's what I'm doing. So basically just put it on where the gap is and twist it so you open a little bigger. Of course it can move on me. There you go. Bigger, and then alright, once you have the gap open a little bit, and put in a flat head in the middle of it, and just get a hammer, just try to tap it out, just like that. Go, coming out nicely, and there it goes. Alright, there's a shoe washer, I guess, and once it's out, just pull it up, and there's your piece you need for your new parts. Alright, here's the new shoes. You're gonna install the part of the e-brake and this hardware, which just like that. That's how I took it out. And with this, go to here, then I grab the horseshoe washer and put it right here, right there. So that's what I'm gonna do next step. Got one of these, which I got two of them. It depends on what pads you buy. Sometimes they don't have it with this, so make sure you look at it and use the old one. Don't damage the old one. But on this one here, it's a little more expensive, the quality of it, and that's why they give this with the pads when I buy the new pads. So we're gonna put it in place, get a plier, grab that, and just push it in just like that. Okay, and then we gotta get a just close this up right here. So once the horseshoe going all the way, and just get a plier and squeeze the tip of it so it closes. Alright, try to squeeze the tip. Keep moving now. go, and there you go. Just like that. Perfect. Okay, once I squeeze to close it, I can see it's moved freely, and it's not coming out. So that's what it looked like. Okay, brand new horseshoe washer. So brand new shoes, and it's gonna be good to go.